So hey everyone, my name is Shubh Vasne and today I'm here to represent my project Quant AI. It's in financial budgeting app and with AI enhancement, with AI assistant and AI receipt manager. So let's walk through it. So by clicking on start your journey, you will be navigated to the sign in and sign up option. If you want to sign up, here is an if you want to sign in, here is an sample email ID and password given. I have already preceded the data of about 3 months to get a better UI and to get you understanding about what the app is. And if you want to directly sign up there, if you want to sign up, then you can also sign up here and you will receive a OTP and then you can generate your OTP and you can enter and you can sign in there. But I will prefer you if you go through the sign up option, you will receive a dashboard where you can edit your monthly transaction, monthly budget you want to set in, and you can make your personal account. I have given option here to manage multiple accounts. If you want to manage your business account or personal account, you can manage it from there and you can create multiple accounts down there. So let's go to the data where we have already preceded the data for better user experience. So let's continue here. After signing in, you will be navigated to the dashboard panel, and here you can see the dashboard panel is loading, and I have already preceded the data for about 3 months to 3 to 4 months to get you better user experience. You can see here the total budget I have set it for a month, and here is the amount that I have spent it here. You can see the recent transactions that you have done, and here is an option to switch to the various accounts, and you have to set the one default account where all your recent transaction will be shown. To add the transaction, you have to click on the add transaction button and you will be navigated to the transaction panel. Here transaction panel, we have added a feature, a scan receipt with AI. We have used OpenCV to implement this feature. You can also hard code your details here, like amount and all the date, description, and you can also go with the scan receipt feature. By clicking on the scan receipt, you can upload your receipt here and it will automatically fetch data from the receipt and it will be shown here. And you can directly click on the create transaction. Before that, we have added a recurring transaction option where you can, by clicking on this transaction, you can send your monthly rent or any recurring transaction. It will be automatically added every month on a particular date that you have set it here. On clicking the create transaction, your transaction will be recorded and you will be navigated to the account options where you can see the last month transaction in a statistical data. You can see here your last 3 months transaction, last 7 days transaction, and according to your preference you can alter your data. Down there we have added a transaction history where you can see the details that you have added about your transactions. You can see all the transactions here and you can also edit and delete the transaction according to your need. So that's all about the dashboard panel. You can get back to the dashboard panel by clicking on the dashboard. And next we have here about is the AI assistant. So here it is the Quant AI assistant that we have fine tuned it to only answer you about the finance and investment related topics. It will not give you answer on the random or illogical questions. It will give you the best advice based upon your data that you have entered in your transactions and according to your budget. Like here, if I want to enter that, on clicking enter, firstly it will show you the icon that the Quant AI is contemplating your query. It will think for 4 to 5 seconds and then it will reply according to your data, and it's a deep research data. It's not any fake prediction or anything that we have done here. We have been very precise about your data, and we are not saving or stealing your data. We are just saving all your information on your local storage. You can also clear it and you can also reset all your application data by going on the setting options. Next we have is the learn feature. Here we have added various courses about the investment, budgeting, retirement planning, and understanding credit score. Like if I go through the options of understanding credit score, here is a quite information about the definitions and all the information about the credit score, and then you have to take quiz. We have an option to take quiz. Now here you have to answer the quiz according to the course that you have read before. Like if I want to track your investment performance, here I think it's wrong answer. It will be completed and I will be shown as a correct well done answer, and it will be back to the learning center. You can back to the courses here, and that's about my app. And you can also sign out here. Sign in and sign out is very easy for the user. So that's all from my side, and